An historian has accused the University of Leicester of destroying parts of Richard III's skeleton to carry out further research about the king.
Dr John Ashdown-Hill says it's ethically wrong to continue testing his DNA and it's simply unnecessary. But the university says the work will shed light on the ancestry and health of the monarch, information it believes will be invaluable. Rajiv Popat reports.
Killed at the Battle of Bosworth, Richard III, a controversial figure in life and death. Shakespeare portrayed him as an evil, murderous man. His supporters say there's no truth in that. 500 years on, and the last Plantagenet King of England continues to provoke heated debate. His bones were found under a council car park in Leicester. Now, an historian who traced the monarch's living relatives is accusing the University of Leicester of destroying parts of the skeleton by testing the remains to find out more about the king's genetic makeup.
I can't see why we need to know, for example, the precise colour of Richard III's hair or whether he could digest dairy produce. What we're doing is unnecessary scientific research, which will bring kudos to the university, but it's also destroying parts of Richard III's tissue, and I don't think that's the right thing to do.
The university says it's planning to use small fragments from the skeleton to extract DNA. No one from the university was available to comment, but they issued a statement saying the work will shed light on the health and ancestry of the king and his historical environment. The university added that research involving human remains is subject to strict ethical codes and procedures. Scientists say the research must be carried out before the bones are reinterred. Exactly where his remains should be laid to rest will be decided by the High Court. A judicial review gets underway next month. Plans are underway for a grand reburial ceremony at Leicester Cathedral, but Vanessa Rowe, a 16th grandniece of Richard III and a member of the Plantagenet Alliance, says he should return to York, and she also believes further DNA testing is pointless.
We are worried about the damage to the body. The original testing was done just basically to identify the remains and to see if it was King Richard or not. Since that testing has been done, further testing should end.
But the university says this is a golden opportunity to discover more and inspire future generations to learn about a king who remained underground for 5 centuries. Rajiv Popat, ITV News, Leicester.